Kundalini Energy. The life force currents corresponding to the first 9 dimensions and the first 3 hover bodies, matter densities, and shields are referred to as the Kundalini energies. And they're also known as the Universal Kundalini or the Antana Karana. The 3 embodied Kundalini currents are the telluric, doratic, and etheric currents. Each Kundalini current is a triadic current, a set of 3-dimensional currents that function together and are separated by magnetic repulsion zones. Each of the 3 Kundalini currents is spiraled within the regions of the first 8 cells of human conception located at the tailbone, at the base of the spine. The incarnating consciousness anchors its identity and Christos manifestation template within the first 8 cells to initiate fetal integration process. Activation of the 3 Kundalini currents progressively creates integration of the higher dimensions of consciousness and desensification of molecular structure. And all of the frequencies within the 3 embodied Kundalini currents, the 4th Kundalini current, the Kirasha, is activated. Part of the Kirasha energies, the human Kirasha, begins at conception with the building of the Kundalini and the silver cord. The silver cord bridges of interdimensional frequency that connects the fetus to the soul matrix, and through which fetal integration of the soul essence occurs. When the conception occurs, part of the incoming soul essence first enters the original 8 cells at the base of the spine that will grow to become the fetus, establishing an energetic link, often called the Kundalini energies, between the embryo and the incoming soul essence. The amount of energy stored in the Kundalini will be determined by the capacity of the genetic code to hold the ULF and UHF energy, the soul essence energies that cannot integrate into the DNA will be stored in the Kundalini center at the base of the spine. ULF stands for Universal Life Force, and UHF stands for Universal Hubba Force Energy. Once the fetus begins to accelerate in vibration and grow, due to the stimuli applied by the soul essence, the faster vibrating portions of the soul essence energy are fed into the fetal body, forming 3 energetic coils at the base of the spine that connect the fetal body directly to the race morphogenetic field in Earth's core and the soul matrix in Harmonic Universe 2. Harmonic Universe 2 is called Terra. It holds the dimensions 4, 5, and 6. This coiling spiral of ULF and UHF energy becomes the Kundalini energies, which slowly feed the body during its growth to physical maturity. As the Kundalini spirals are being set at the base of the spine within the fetal pattern, another bridge of frequency is set into the body in the regions of the navel, heart, and crown chakras, and with the pineal gland, thyroid, and thymus gland. This part of the Kirasha energies creates a bridge of 9-dimensional frequency, a silver cord that opens the crown chakra vortex for full fetal integration and connects the body from the navel and several other regions of the body to sustain energies of the soul matrix and Nada Hubba body. The Kundalini energies at the base of the spine connects to the silver cord frequency bridge, forming a main vertical current of energy running through the fetus and the morphogenetic field, through which the body and consciousness will progressively raise in vibration and expand as physical growth and soul essence integration continues over time. In most contemporary humans, the Kundalini spirals usually remain dormant throughout the lifetime, following their original placement at conception. The Kundalini spirals are connected to the silver cord and to the pineal gland at the brain center, and only become activated when the pineal gland receives enough stimulation of higher dimensional frequency at the soul integration and DNA activation process proceeds. The Kundalini spirals are brought to life only through activation of DNA strands 4 and above, which occurs through the soul integration process. Most people will not experience Kundalini activation, the process by which the pillar of light frequency bridge between the higher identity levels connect with the body through the pineal and the silver cord at the navel. DNA template and Kundalini activation do not occur via wishful thinking or hopeful intentions. They are a process of natural biospiritual creation physics which occur via educated, conscious direction of energy and genuine spiritual wisdom. There is a natural divine right order of energy mechanics that govern the manifestation of consciousness in biological form. The mechanics of this order must be understood and appropriately applied if one expects to attain genuine biospiritual mastery.